Rex, what's for dinner? Green beans and green beans and green beans and green beans and what's for dinner? What's for dinner? Rex. Green beans and come here. You come here. Come here. Do you want smooches? Yeah. Green beans. What do you want for dinner? You want some carrots? Green beans and beginning to think that you like green beans. Yeah. What's for dinner? Rex. Green beans?